The following video aims to help you navigate through our screen design function in our touch design module. We have created a series of tutorials taking you through the complete setup and functionality within screen design. However, this video's purpose is to introduce the screen design window to you and to take you through a basic button setup and the linking of a PLU item to your screen. Check out our touch design playlist for more videos about this module. Now let's kick off our tutorial by clicking on Touch Design in Pilot Admin. Select Screen Design. The Screen Design window opens. Screen Design is used to create screens for the different menu and retail departments within your business, and to enable you to link your PLU sale items, including modifiers such as customer options and changes to buttons, which your waiter or cashier can then select to order from these screens. Before you create any new buttons or screens, ensure all PLUs and modifiers that you would like to include on your screen have been created prior to starting setup here. Let's discuss what we see here. Firstly, we have a list here of all the different screens currently saved to your dataset. These screens may or may not be visible currently for you to order from. This also includes all pop-up and multi-select screens. You can add, copy and delete screens from this list. Now if we move to the right, we can see a visual display of our selected screen. You can link PLUs directly to a button, clear all links that are linked to the button, create touch group buttons, and set buttons to jump to different screens once selected. If we move down, we can change the button criteria here by changing its size, caption, color, or font size. When moving to the right-hand window here, we have 3 tabs available. By selecting the PLU tab, you can link a PLU directly to a button. You can also see if the PLU selected belongs to any touch groups and if the PLU is linked to any pop-up screens. When selecting the Jump to Screen tab, you will see your screen list to choose from. You can then link a button to jump to a specific screen after selecting it to order. When selecting the Group tab, you can see a list of your current touch groups and which PLUs are linked to each particular group. You can then assign more PLUs to these existing touch groups or create new ones to link a PLU to. You can then link the button to a touch group. You can also edit and make changes to existing screens or create new screens by using the shortcut options here. We will demonstrate how to edit and create screens in another tutorial. If you need to link a PLU to a button and the setup entails a very basic and easy PLU to button setup, you can do so by simply selecting the screen you need to make changes to, then ensuring you select a blank button. You can check that it's clear by clicking on it and viewing the button details window here. Then ensure you select the PLU tab here and search for the relevant PLU, then double-click to link it to the button. Now your PLU may require additional changes that customers might make, or it may need to talk to other screens. But in this example, we are focusing on a very easy and straightforward PLU link to button. Since we have linked our PLU here, we can now save our work by selecting the Publish Screens button here. Of course, if you've made changes but you've made a mistake or you are unsure of your work, you can reset your screens by clicking on the Reset Screens button, which will then remove all changes made since the last time any changes were published. Let's publish our changes so our screens can go live. The system will prompt you with a warning saying that changes cannot be reversed after being published. Ensure you are happy with your work and click Yes to publish and save. Ensure Pilot POS is closed on all POS stations before publishing takes place. Once the system prompts you with a message saying Publish Screens Done, you can view your changes in Pilot POS. Let's open a table and ring up our new PLU. This concludes our introduction to screen design. To learn more about this module, continue to view the rest of the screen design setup tutorials from our Touch Design playlist.